Okay, I hope you're ready to write. Today we are going to write the capital L, the capital I, the capital T, and the capital H. Are you ready to try and write them with me? Okay, pause the video and go get your journal and a pencil. To write uppercase L, you start on the top line. These letters are tall, so you're going to start on the top line, pull down to the bottom red line, and then you're going to go across the bottom line and stop. So pull down and right, down and to the right. You're going to make 10 capital or uppercase L's using finger spaces between your L's all the way. If you need more space, then you need to come down here and on the next line, okay? But you go down and then to the right. Make sure you start on the top line and you end on the bottom line. To write a capital T or an uppercase T, you also need to start on the top line, pull down to the red line, then you're going to go across the top line. So down and across, down and across, down and across. The next letter is a lowercase I. Uppercase I. Almost tricked you. Now you are going to start on the top line and pull down like you're writing a number 1, except you're going to go back up to the top and go across and back on the bottom and go across. You're going to go across the top line and across the bottom line. Uppercase I, down, across, across, down, across, across. Okay, now the last letter we're going to write today is an uppercase H. You start on the top line and you pull down to the red line. Then you come over here and you pull down again. Looks like you have 2 number 1s, except now you go across the middle line. On the dotted line, you're going to go across on the dotted line. Down, down, across, down, down, across. Okay, so 10 uppercase L's, 10 uppercase T's, 10 uppercase I's, and 10 uppercase H's. When you are finished, you're going to take a picture and turn it into your teacher. Then you are going to be ready to read the story Red, Red, Red and Big Crops in Ed, Your Friend in Learning. Have a fabulous day, first grade.